This is the new Range Rover Sport SV Black with just 1,000 miles on, 2026, 26 registration, in Narvik black with the Satin PPF from the factory. You can tell instantly that this is a special edition because the SV badging is finished in black chrome, but then the tailpipes are finished in black. Obviously the satin paint, lied, Satin PPF even. It looks so good, it looks so aggressive. But then you have the 23-inch upgraded wheels, carbon ceramic brakes, soft closed doors. This is the P635, which stands for 635 brake horsepower. That's an improvement from the previous SVR, but that's not just an improvement on the power output. The styling, the drivetrain, everything about this car is improved. It is awesome. Even the seats. It has the new perforated, super luxurious leather interior in there. Upgraded Meridian signature sound system, third zone climate control and heated seats in the back. Full tilt and sliding panoramic roof, rear reclining seats. We'll take a look inside the front. That lovely piano black chrome, touchscreen media system, and then this car's got heads-up display. You've also got a refrigerator under the centre armrest. Them seats, not only are they sporty, but they're super comfortable. With 1,000 miles on, it's in exactly the condition you expect it to be. Now, as the car keeps turning, you're going to notice a lot more black detailing. But against a Satin PPF, this car's got lots of exposed gloss black. That's on the bonnet venting, the side venting, the wing mirrors, and then on the front bumper, including the SV on this side air intake. 360 camera system, the badges are gloss black, full LED headlights with full adaptive headlights. This car is mind-blowing. Now, I've driven one myself, so I'm not selling you something that I haven't driven. I've seen the performance, I've felt the performance and the handling. And the car, I promise you, it takes a breath away. It is ridiculous, and it sounds good. Because a lot of the newer cars now, they're a bit quiet down, you can't do much with them, but for me, what more do you want? And then you have the new SV buttons. When you press that, they go red, that goes red. It just gets really angry. And you know what? I love it. And so it should. The exterior absolutely complements the interior. You can drive it normal like a sensible person for most of the times. And then when them times you want to go a bit daft and crazy and a little bit out there, that will certainly deliver. My name's Joe, 2026, 26 registration, SV Black. Available now. Give me a call. Be more than happy to help you. Thank you. Bye-bye.